Welcome to Fieldhead, Birstall, a truly magnificent 4-bedroomed period residence, absolutely tastefully designed inside, beautiful gardens. Please allow us to show you around. Massive added bonus to this property is the cellar area. 3 rooms down there, Yorkstone flag throughout, high ceilings, roughly 10-11 feet, a window down there for natural light. These rooms could be converted quite easily to give you even more space. Please take a look. Go, a truly magnificent property. To arrange a viewing, give us a call on 01 924 692240 or email us on hello@trustsl.co.uk, where we look forward to speaking to you and getting you booked in for a viewing of this wonderful property. Thank you.